Trigonometry, the branch of mathematics that deals with the right triangle. More specifically, its angles and its sides and the processes that link them together and you could solve for. So, alright, so for the basics of trigonometry, we have three functions at the very base. They're known as the trigonomic functions. And they're known as the sine, the cosine, and the tangent. So those three functions make up the base of trigonometry. Also, their variants. So like there's variations on it, like the arc sine and all that jizzy jazz. But for the most part, those are three big functions that you're going to be working on, and you use those to do trigonometry. You solve for the angles and the sides, and you fill in like the data blanks with trigonometry. And so first you got to establish that these functions are for the angles of a right triangle, but not the right angle. The angles to the sides of the right angle, and so the sine of an angle would be the opposite over hypotenuse, which meaning that the side of the right triangle opposite to the angle that is the sine, and divided by the hypotenuse of the right triangle. So there's only one hypotenuse per right triangle. So and there's the cosine. This is the adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's the side adjacent to the angle rather than the opposite and over hypotenuse. And then finally there's the tangent. The tangent is opposite over adjacent. Yeah, so it's a little bit outlier. It doesn't use the hypotenuse as much, but that's the basic thing that you need to know about trigonometry. And if you know the values and the processes for using these values, you can find a lot of information about right triangles.